Hello, my lovely English learners. Today I have come up with a unique idea how to utilize social media for your fluency, for learning English language. But remember, this is a disclaimer that I am not going to talk about YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook videos, WhatsApp, YouTube videos, conversational videos. No, not at all. So what is a practical pragmatic step? I am going to give you a social media step, a social media platform, and some practical utilizational steps and some pragmatic steps which you can follow to enhance your communication skills, your learning skills, and your English language as well. As these are the most popular, and as well as you will get the instant feedback, because when you comment under the video of some person, whenever he will have the time, he will give you the feedback. But the social media, the part of social media, the segment or section of social media which I am going to elaborate in this video will give you immense benefit. There are some stages, there are some processes, and there are some steps which you have to follow, because from beginner to advanced level I am going to discuss each and everything. The most important, the most popularized session of social media is WhatsApp group. Yes, my dear audience, why I am saying so? Because now every English teacher, every English trainer, and the person who has a proficiency or who has a mastery over this language is opening their WhatsApp groups for the learners, whether paid or the unpaid. It is totally up to you which channel or which WhatsApp group you follow. But what are the benefits and how you can reap the most benefits, the most advantages out of this, I am going to discuss in this video. The very first video, the very first session, the very first section you would say is voice chat. If you are a shy person, if you do not feel comfortable on the camera, because at your initial learning stage you will be feeling hesitation, you will be feeling fumbling attitude, you will have fear of being on camera, then this voice chat with the other learners, with your tutor, with your mentor is an excellent feature of this WhatsApp group. Now, how is it excellent? Because you can convey your message, you can articulate your thoughts, and you can produce whatever is in your brain comfortably, because you are not visible on the screen. No one is watching you. Everyone is just listening you. And this is the first step towards your confidence level. This is the first step towards your successful English learning stage. This is the first step. And there are so many WhatsApp groups nowadays available by all English trainers, by all English enthusiasts. I am not recommending anyone, and I am suggesting you the person, the teacher, the trainer, the mentor with which you are comfortable. You have to choose that trainer. That's it. The first stage is to enter in the group and initiate, commence voice chat. The next thing comes the Zoom sessions. Now, what are the Zoom sessions? In Zoom sessions, you have a video, you are on the camera, and you are facing the other persons. Maybe there are many persons. It may be a group discussion. So, first of all, you have to go one-on-one conversational sessions, Zoom sessions. It can be with your mentor, it can be with your co-learners or other learners of this world or of this universe, of this society. Now, it's remarkable feature, because these type of people, a small group, an extended group with whom you are having a conversation is in fact a replica of our society. In fact, when they are in large number, a society is produced. Now if you are comfortable in that mini society, in the form of Zoom sessions, you will certainly be confident in the society. Either you are taking interviews, you are going abroad for your trip, or you are going to hilly areas for your tour, anything, you will feel comfortable because you have faced the mini society. Now there are many benefits. You will get to know how to maintain an eye contact, how to have a successful conversation, and when you are not having the proper words, how to fill the gaps and how to avoid the fillers, because sometimes people use a lot of fillers. This sounds awkward. So how to sound natural? This is in fact preparation for your interview. This is in fact preparation for your grooming career in the society, for making name in the society. So this is very much important. Now another thing is that now there are the polls. Now what is poll? You can vote. Mentors and teachers give a poll, and in that poll you have to select out of many words, out of many choices, you have to select one suitable choice. Now this is very important. And why I am saying that this is remarkable, this is very important, this is crucial, why it is? Because it gives you the boost when you just click one answer, and if your answer is right one, and your mentor and your teacher at the end of the time just say that you have done a great task. Oh my God. Instant gratification of your soul, of your needs. The next thing is you are provided with picture description stories. You are provided with a picture. You have to illustrate it according to your thoughts, according to your point of view. This is also another remarkable feature. Here you are given the choices, the 2 or 3 choices. First choice is you can write the message and text it in the group. Fine. In fact, you are training your brain to think in the form of written. The best thing is that if you just train your brain and just think for a moment and just record your voice in the voice note and send it in your group, it means that now you are speaking to yourself, you are having a monologue to yourself, and it is important aspect, and it will certainly improve your speaking skills to a larger extent. This is remarkable. Now another thing is that at the beginning of the day, or in the beginning of the day, you are provided with motivational quotes which just geared up your day for a better productive day. For example, beginning is always the hardest, which I posted in the beginning of the day in my group, in my WhatsApp group. Now the purpose of these motivational quotes and the group is just to boost up the morale of your students and to stir their minds, to stir their souls to be active in the group. After that, there is the session for phrasal verbs, idiom of the day, phrasal verb of the day, the vocabulary boost of the day, in which the trainer gives you a vocabulary word, one phrasal verb, one idiomatic expression, and he explains it with meaning with some sentence. Now he says that he or she says that you have to produce sentences according to you. Now you are training your brain simultaneously. Now just see that this WhatsApp group is a mini classroom, mini online classroom, but it is for 24/7. You are flexible, you are given flexible time duration. Whenever you are free, you can post the message. Whenever you are free, you can send your voice note of picture description. Although there are scheduled Zoom sessions, when you are free, you can initiate, you can just commence the voice chat note, and whoever is free in the group can just connect and you can have exchange of your ideas. Because if we leave the language, it just evaporates just like the water and the scorching sunlight. Hope you have understood, and hope I have discussed all the points which I have jotted down for you. So these are the benefits of this social media group. What you are supposed to do, just join any WhatsApp group. I am not recommending any group. Just go for the mentor, for the teacher. And if you join my WhatsApp group, I have created 2 WhatsApp group, one for the women and one for the men, because sometimes the women feel insecurity issues. So till the next video, you can join my group also. I have given the name. So till the next video, stay happy, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.